Hey everybody, Burger Guy here with another sake video. Today I have a very special sake for us to celebrate our Thanksgiving. It is Thanksgiving Day today. This is called Kamoizumi Nigori Ginjo Nama. That's a mouthful. You say that 5 times fast. Basically, it's Kamoizumi, comes from Hiroshima. And nigori means that there's some unfiltered rice. So you're going to see a little bit of rice here. It's kind of a cloudy sake. If you mix it up, it turns kind of whitish. I'll show you that in a little bit. Ginjo and nama. Nama means unpasteurized. So it doesn't really ship well. So if you can find this in a store, you want to leave it in your fridge, keep it cold. If you can bring it back with you from a trip, maybe that's okay. But shipping might take a little bit longer, and because it's unpasteurized, it's not the best thing for the sake. So anyway, I was able to get a bottle of this. If you can take a look, you can kind of see there's a lot of white on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a double tasting today. The first tasting will be without the white, and then we'll see how that is, and then I'm going to shake it up and see if there's a difference. Okay, happy Thanksgiving. Oh, okay, wow. This is very sweet. First thing that comes to mind is definitely sweet. Easy to drink, lingers on your tongue. Maybe there's a little bit more sugar, so it lingers on your tongue a little bit more. Very tasty. They say this really matches well with spicy food, Thai, Vietnamese, even Cuban food. I can see how it would do that. Very nice. Now I'm going to shake it up. You can see the unfiltered rice makes it a little bit more cloudy. Okay. The internet says that it's rich and creamy. When you look at it, it does look more like a milk, so definitely looks creamy. Let's see if there's any difference. Oh, okay. When I mixed it, it's not as sweet, and you can kind of get a lot more sake or alcohol flavoring in there. Still very easy to drink, very smooth. But definitely changes the taste a little bit. Definitely the rice is part of the fermenting process, so having more of an alcohol taste when you mix it up, it does make more sense. Be careful with this one, because if I'm not mistaken, this is 18.1%. So it is a little bit stronger than your usual sake, but it is definitely a tasty one, very easy to drink, good for sipping, good for sharing with a spicy meal. Something a little bit different, a little more festive here for the holidays, being white, maybe a little bit of snow. It is actually called Summer Snow, so it's a very nice sake. Okay, internet says rich, creamy, mildly sweet, surprisingly robust. Yeah, I enjoy it. It's sweet, it's good, it's very nice. Okay, anyway, I did have one more tip for you guys. If you can't finish the whole bottle, which if you're drinking by yourself, you really shouldn't. I was told that the air inside the bottle is what causes sake to go bad quickly. So you should never have sake on its side, because then it's touching more oxygen. So what I do is, if I have a leftover bottle, a smaller bottle, I'll fill it up to the top so that there's no extra oxygen, and then it'll last longer that way. So just a little tidbit for you guys. If you do have smaller bottles, you can fill it up to the top. There's no oxygen, so it'll last longer in the refrigerator than it would, even with this much oxygen in it. It'll still last longer than something like this would. And a little tidbit there. Anyway, that's it for this week. For today, I have another sake tasting coming up soon, so I'll be sure to share that with you guys. I hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving. Kanpai.